Step inside the restoration journey of 25 West End Avenue, a timeless pre-war residence in the heart of the Upper West Side. In this follow-up video, I walk you through the full transformation from the original worn floors to the newly sanded, restained natural wood finish, fresh paint throughout, and restored pre-war details that define this classic home. You'll see the before condition from the previous video and the refreshed version that brings back the charm, warmth, and authenticity that makes West End Avenue so special. The changes may look subtle at first glance, but they completely elevate how the home feels, brighter, warmer, and truer to the 1920 pre-war character. If you'd like to explore buying, selling, or renting similar pre-war homes across the Upper West Side or anywhere throughout NYC, I'd love to help. And if you've made it this far, please let me know your thoughts and what stood out to you. Your support means everything, so make sure you follow for more. Remember to like the video and share with a friend.